Good morning, everyone, from the beautiful island of Siargao. We're here in General Luna. Surprisingly, we made it all the way to General Luna without a single drop of rain on us. So it's been a good morning. Sky, your weather forecast sky. It's a little on the cloudy side, but appears to be no major rain rolling in yet. Guys, let me tell you this right now, a heads up. If you're coming to Siargao Island, bring plenty of money. Bring plenty of money. Don't rely on the ATMs because the main ATM, the BDO, is down. It's Monday. PNB. All right, the lines are here. And the other day I was saying about the one grocery store running off a generator. Well, the PNB bank here also runs off of the generator. That's it right there. It is quiet. I mean, yes, it's going to make noise. It is a generator, but it's not screaming loud. So there it is. Remember that. Remember that. If you're vacationing here, don't rely on the ATMs or load up on Gcash. Have money on Gcash as a backup, because you don't want to come on vacation and you can't access your money. It is, everybody's getting ready for New Year's here. A little store right here. I got these blowhorns. See if I can find a blowhorn. The most annoying sound is the blowhorns they have here. I don't see any here, but yeah, I don't see any here. If you got nieces and nephews and you want to annoy their parents, buy them these blowhorns. I'm just going to take a little stroll, just kind of down through here a little bit. Nice little bakery right there. Smells good. You can always smell the bakery. Morning. Mein Buntag. Even got Licha Manuk going early in the morning. Manuk 300 pesos. Liempo 270 pesos. Wow. Hello. Good morning. There's always something. You can always find something here. MJ's Burger. And Silugan. We have ice cream here. Hot dogs. Sorry store. Tourists. Today it's, I'm seeing more tourists than normal. Yeah, here's the BDO here on the left. And you go up there and there's a sign that says under maintenance. Now you got to run around and you got to find a ATM machine somewhere. Right there, BDO. The bank's open, but the ATM machine is shut down under maintenance. I got to go to the butcher meat shop here, see if they have any. Look at that, Suzuki. Those things look like they're ready to tip over. Like if you push on them too hard, they'll flip over. Oh, look at it. So if you go around a corner too fast, it'll flip over. Wow, we have quite a bit of traffic here. Now let me go. Let me see if I can get through here without getting hit by a tourist van. Now let me go in here quick. No chicken wings. Sorry, sir. Out of stock. They got the best chicken wings. There's another ATM machine. Oh, sorry. ATM temporary closed. See what I'm saying? It is what it is. Heads up. I see people going to certain ATMs here while we're sitting, maybe eating breakfast, and they walk up. They obviously didn't watch Philly in the Philippines YouTube channel to get little tips and hints about coming to Siargao Island, General Luna. See, and then if you can't find a machine working here, you can always run over to the Pure Gold area, which is a good 20-minute ride, nice little ride. But then if they're out and you're just flat out of luck. All right, let's in P&B right now, doing our monthly withdrawal for the month. I can come over here and get to this P&B bank here and do our banking. You don't wait long. You do the one over in General Luna there, well, you can be in there for an hour. It's quicker to run over here. So, all right. Oh, I see a horn. I see a horn. There it is, the horn. The horn. You want to annoy somebody, give these horns to a kid. And they will, oh, that was quick. In and out in 10 minutes. All right, off to do some running around. All right, guys, a lot of you know, I really don't drink too much. I'm not a big drinker. Definitely not a Red Horse drinker. When I do drink, it's occasionally out and about, parties, birthdays, and even then, I rarely drink. But once a year, I go out and I get myself, my model, hold it, I go out and get myself a Grey Goose vodka. I like this. Grey Goose vodka, distilled and bottled in France, imported. I know people are going to tell me, oh, Philly, this is just as good and this is just as good. But this is what I like to drink on New Year's. I think I've drank a bottle of Grey Goose vodka, me and Lut, every New Year since we've been here. Get this. How much was it? Over here at Tag. Same price down at Pure Gold. I've seen it down at Pure Gold. One or two other places. You guys ready? 2,800 pesos. The girl at the cash register said, wow, that's expensive. And I said, yeah, you know how many bottles of Red Horse I could buy with that kind of money? Well, like I said, this is my New Year's. All right, guys, I had to stop here real quick. This is the third branch that they have opened here on Siargao Island. This is Tawi. Tawan. All right. General Luna Dapa Highway. General Luna Dapa down there. But what am I talking about? What branch? Whitebeards. They've opened a third branch here on the island. I like the place. Good coffee. Limited menu with breakfast, but I eat here at Whitebeards quite a bit. But yeah, this is their new branch right here. Tawan. I'd go in, but there's music playing. And it's bigger than the other branches. But same menu and everything. Just in case you are wondering. If you come to General Luna or you come to Siargao Island, check out Whitebeards. I enjoy Whitebeards. I enjoy the coffee, I enjoy the breakfast, and they got the best French toast. They got the best French toast on the island. My own personal opinion. So we got to roll down the road. To sneak in here real quick, I want to show you this right here. These salmon rolls right here, they are the best. They are the best on the island. They give Cinnabon a run for their money, literally. And their chocolate chip cookies, they are awesome too. Cake, the little cupcakes are good. Oh yeah, this is it right here. Let me do a quick pan inside the new place, talk over the music. But when you walk in, it does smell good. It smells like coffee. There it is, Whitebeards. Now I'm a weirdo, right? I was talking to them in there, and dang, somebody's got a cannon. And you guys see the picture here? I always thought they just used Abraham Lincoln's face. You know, for some reason or another, maybe the guy's a descendant of Abraham Lincoln, or he's from the United States. They said no, he's a Filipino, and that's his picture right there. He's from, where'd they say? I forget where, but he's not on the island. The guy is originally from this island, but he's not on the island right now. So, all right, down the road we go now. All right, just got back. Hey, Junior. Junior's out enjoying the rain. I had a little tiny little bit of rain on the way home. Tiny little bit. Not even enough to justify to put on my rain jacket, but it's rolling in. You can see it rolling in. Right, Junior? Oh, somebody wants to say Merry Christmas and oh, hang on. Like that. Somebody wants to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody. Say it. All right, Angry Bird. Angry Bird. Come on, Angry Bird. He's a weirdo. She's a weirdo. All right. She's actually, look, there's two of them in here. Angry Bird is laying on top of the other one, or the other one's laying on top of Angry Bird. They're sharing and fighting for the eggs, to hatch the eggs. Don't ask me why. Anyways, I also stopped and I got it invited back behind the curtain. All right. I said, hey, do you have this? Yeah, come here. They took me behind the curtain for these. All right. I get these every year. You ready?
Oh my God, over the head.
Little fireworks. You like these? They shoot up in the air. They pop and they crack. I don't like them. But you gotta watch. You gotta make sure the fuses are all there. One time I bought some and the fuses weren't all there. But yeah, I got invited behind the curtain. I felt honored. Yeah, come here. Come here. Anyways, I don't know what's going on. Nothing. Probably nap time. Nap time. What else you gonna do? It's raining. So, it was a good little trip this morning. Accomplished the things I needed to accomplish, except for one thing. All of a sudden, all Filipinos are rich on this island. I need cranberry juice for my vodka. Tag didn't have it. They had vodka, but not cranberry juice. It's like, all right, let's stop at Pure Gold. Pulled into the parking lot, walked in the store, walked right out. The lines were packed. The grocery carts were packed. I'm like, nah, I am not standing in line for one item. And you will stand in line. You will stand in line half hour, 45 minutes. No, and I won't even make Lut do that. I'm sorry, let's go up to Prince. Maybe Prince has it. So, got up to Prince. Place was packed. Like I said, the Lut, what? Everybody's rich now on the island. You can understand something. A lot of these stores may not have been open since Thursday, since Wednesday, since Christmas Eve. Some may not have. So now it's Monday. Everybody's out loading up for whatever. Maybe the New Year's for party, whatever. But I'm like, nah. I'll get up in the morning, get down to Prince early in the morning when nobody's there, get what I got to get and get out. But yeah, everybody's all of a sudden rich. Yeah. All right, guys. Might be a short video. Might be a short video because what else can I show you? I can show you it raining here all the time. I can follow the chickens around, show you what the chickens are doing. Can show you me taking a nap. That's kind of boring. So maybe this is the end of the video. If there's more to, then you know I found something more to talk about, right?